song?
Come
on, Caleb.
I took a motorcycle trip and I wrote this song on the motorcycle trip.
I'll try.
We're headed north to Sedona, 3 fine European gals. If you've been having dreams of gasoline, take a dream up off the shelf. We're headed north to Sedona. I got that red dirt in my lungs, the black top fast beneath our feet, and sugar on our tongue. I'm on my way, baby, don't you worry. On my way, baby, don't get low. 3,000 miles of highway road and I'll meet you in Buffalo. I'm on my way, baby, don't you worry. On my way, baby, don't get low. 3,000 miles of highway road and I'll meet you. South Dakota, slept last night in a cheap motel. Cigarettes, hairspray, and kerosene was all that I could smell. We're turning out of South Dakota. We've been drinking from the well. I passed out there in paradise and woke up here in hell. 'Cause I'm on my way, baby, don't you worry. On my way, baby, don't get low. 1,000 miles of highway road and I'll meet you in Buffalo. I'm on my way, baby, don't you worry. On my way, baby, don't get low. 1,000 miles of highway road and I'll meet you. I'm gonna meet you in Buffalo. Jake Lamont. We're headed east across Minnesota on 2 wheels, baby, and sometimes one. If we don't go too slow to Chicago, we'll beat that setting sun. We're headed east across Minnesota, closing in on Illinois. This road could turn a child into a man or a man into a boy. 'Cause I'm on my way, baby, don't you worry. On my way, baby, don't get low. 500 miles of highway road and I'll meet you in Buffalo. I'm on my way, baby, don't you worry. On my way, baby, don't get low. 500 miles of highway road and I'll meet you. I'm gonna meet you in Buffalo.